Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna do a sound test on this LG 2.1 Bluetooth multimedia speaker, and yeah, it is connected. You can see BE connected to my mobile. So let's check the sound.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
So about the sound, let me tell you that I'm pretty impressed with this mini home theater. As you can see, they are not so big, like that, but the subwoofer is making a pretty good bass, and those channels are very nice, and you can say it's crispy, clear sound. So that's it, and the bass is, you can say, a little bit of heavy, and more than that, it's punchy bass I'm getting. So let's check some other songs.
Smoking my haze, I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck here for days, I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays, I'm enslaved. Yeah, rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat for the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million motherfuckers that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family, from a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on and I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Hold my camera when I do not to make mood space for my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, stop steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose train. Off from the stage, trying to run out my pain. I'm still stuck coming out of that rain. My tape, really not tame. I'ma never slow down, I'ma never be hanged. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage. Taking over, I'm I'm a slave for you.
Alright, so you have heard the sound, and it is what to say, pretty balanced sound, and very clear, and the bass and the treble, they are kind of balanced, so you cannot say this home theater doesn't have much bass, or you cannot say this home theater have too much bass and there is no treble. You cannot say that. So this is very balanced, and a crystal clear sound, and with a good enough bass for this tiny size. So this is very good for a small or medium sized room, and for that you can take it. And also LG is a, what to say, world's renowned brand, South Korean brand. So yeah, I like it very much for this looks and design, and also the sound. That is the most important part. So that's it. That was the sound test video of this LG 2.1 multimedia speaker, and I hope guys you're gonna like it. So hit the like button just like this. Yep. And subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.